is my second session for 2020. We already made the coffee and now we're thinking about breakfast. Now all the experts will tell you that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. That it's so important that you get your either eggs or yogurt or granola or stuffing like that. Well, I'm sorry, but I just don't feel like eating a lot in the morning. But I do like to start out healthy. And I like to get a start on the day. I don't like getting up and exercising, but I like getting up in the kitchen and getting things ready. Especially my salad, so that when I come home, that's the first thing that's staring at me saying, "Eat me, eat me." But salad vegetables do need to be maintained correctly. I don't put them in the vegetable bin. First of all, they're all crammed in there and you can't see them very well. So I set aside a huge part of my refrigerator for the vegetables in one big bin. And then when I'm going to make salad, I bring out the whole shebang. Right there. Okay, a nice container to put it in. One of the problems that people tell me when they buy bag salad is that they end up going bad before they eat it all. So here's a trick that you can do if you buy bag salad or bag spinach or bag kale. Kale goes bad really fast. Open it up, dump it out onto a tea towel. In fact, the best thing to do is make it so that you roll it up so that it's getting a towel all the way around it to soak up the moisture that rots it. Now, this can dry out faster, but if it dehydrates, you can use this in soups, in cooking. If it rots, you can't do anything except throw it out. So I leave the bag open, possibly one clothespin. It leaves some air but keeps it from falling out. Now the next part is pretty simple. You just pick whatever vegetables you want. Green onions, tomatoes, cucumbers. You don't need a demonstration on this. Just take your vegetables. But while you're taking them out, keep track of them. Now this is one vegetable that really often goes bad. Cilantro, especially if it's in a bag. Now, as I just did, I used a towel which is reusable and washable. If you're so busy you can't even do that, it'll still be good if you use a paper towel. Okay, so now the cilantro is what I have here, and look for any leaves that are dark or black. Get those out of there, and again, roll it up. Many people will tell you to stick the cilantro in water, that it stays fresher that long. I find that it rots faster and I don't use it. But again, if this dehydrates, it's still usable. Now one thing you can do with the bag, there might still be a lot of moisture inside of there. So you can turn it inside out. The one thing you have to be careful with of some bags, the paint that's on there, the ink they used is not good to eat. But when you have completely wrapped it in a towel or a tea towel, you're not getting flecks of paint on here. And you will find that this lasts twice as long. So, once I have my salad all ready, now I'm ready to eat as much as I want. It's probably a good idea to have something like maybe an orange, a little extra vitamin C. Vegetables, you can't go wrong in the morning, and they do taste delicious. And something about eating them, they're just life-fulfilling.
Whenever you are ready.
Okay, once you've had your cup of coffee, now
Whoa!
Oh, too fast. Okay.
You had your cup of coffee.